Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add table in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up a canvas like this. Then from here you need to select the left hand side, the element option right over here. Just go with the elements option, and now on the upper side you need to type on table chart. You can go with that and tap on that, and as you can see on the chart we got so many charts over here. We can use this as your own. And also if you just go back, just go back guys, and again search for the table, as you can see we got the tables, so many tables, so we can use that as well by let's see all. And as you can see we got so many tables with different types of colors, so we can use that from here too. And from here we in the graphics tab you can see there are so many different types of table available here, which can be used right here. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and have a great day.